We're gonna do this old school. We need to.
Can I go back to my old school?
Old school. Old school.
ន័យត្រង់របស់ពាក្យនេះគឺសាលារៀនចាស់ចំណែកឯន័យធៀបរបស់វាគឺបើជានាមពាក្យនេះសំដៅលើមនុស្សដែលចូលចិត្តស្ដាយឬវ័យជំនាន់ដើមឬការធ្វើអ្វីមួយតាមបែបប្រពៃណីឬតាមរបៀបដែលមនុស្សពីមុនតែងតែធ្វើពាក្យនេះក៏អាចដើរតួជាគុណនាមបានដែរហើយវាមានន័យថាដែលតាក់ទងនឹងជំនាន់ដើមតាមបែបប្រពៃណីឬដែលជាអ្វីដែលធ្លាប់ត្រូវបានមនុស្សម្នាធ្វើច្រើនពីមុនឧទាហរណ៍
I'm old school. I'm old school.
មានន័យថាខ្ញុំជាមនុស្សដែលចូលចិត្តស្ទាយឬការធ្វើអ្វីមួយតាមបែបជំនាន់ដើមឬតាមបែបប្រពៃណីឬតាមរបៀបដែលមនុស្សពីមុនតែងតែធ្វើ
We're going old school.
It's my old school.
Let's go back to your old school.
I thought I was old school, but I was really new school. In old school, no one is happy.
We're gonna do this old school, sir.
With yummy old school Justin Bieber hair.
She's not.
It's a Victorian mansion, old school King's Head.
I am serious. This is old school.
I'm talking about that old school.
It's hilarious. Old school comedian.
Kicking old school.
Kicking it old school, kicking it new school.
Old school styles.
I'm old school.
Old school, right? Definitely. Old school.
Milk it nice and slow, old school, easy.